Hi, I'm Mr. Knitbear, but you can call me Wim.
And I'm Dendennis, but please call me Dennis. We have developed 12 amazing amigurumi patterns for Berroco.
To make them, we use this lovely Pima 100 cotton yarn.
And Berroco also made this beautiful box of mini skeins with all the wonderful colors. Have a look, Wim.
They are the roommates you always dreamed about, so if you're looking for the perfect roomie, make your own amigurumi.
Every amigurumi has its own personality with special features.
Dennis created 12 stunning patterns, and in every pattern there's a challenge.
Wim helped develop those patterns and will guide you through the process of making them in this tutorial.
In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to attach the wings. This is Aztec. She's a little bee. She's very, very cute, but she seems to be suffering from the Finding Nemo complex because she only has one little wing. That's a problem that will be solved in a minute because I'm going to show you how to attach the wings to this little cute bee. Once you finish the wing, it will be open on the bottom, so you have to fold it and then just take your darning needle and go under the back loops of the adjacent stitches to sew it shut. And once you did that and you reach the top of the wing, then it's just a question of finding the place where you want to attach the wing and making sure you don't attach it in a crooked way. So you can tell the wing is actually a flat piece once you sewed it shut, but it will be a little bit curved to one side because of the way that it's shaped. So you don't have to actually make a big arch here. You can just maybe try and curve it a little bit, but actually when you attach it and you go straight down, then it will be fine. It's pretty much key to make sure that the starting point and the point where you end up is on top of each other. So we'll be starting around here. I've pulled the special stitches from the body a little bit apart already, so I made a little gateway where I can put the wing in. So as you can tell, the first wing is attached one row below the neck, so that will be around here. Make sure I catch a complete stitch. And make sure I don't catch a stinger or another wing. So this way I will be sewing along into the bottom of the wing using a white strand of yarn, which will make it nearly invisible to see where I went into the amigurumi and came back out, catching a strand of yarn from the wing, avoiding the little arm here. And you just continue pulling apart those chain stitches. If you're wondering how to do the special stitch for the body of Aztec, then I can refer you to the tutorial of Stacy the sheep, because Stacy has the exact same special stitch in her fluffy wool, which actually is cotton, so it's kind of ironic, but this way you continue not catching any chains, only the body. And just like any other amigurumi, once you attach a part and you're left with a little yarn tail, you tie a little knot and you weave in the ends to make sure those wings will never come off again. There you go. I can already make or tie a little knot at the bottom here to secure it. I'll put my tapestry needle through the body, make it leave the body on the other side, and then you can carefully but securely snip the yarn, and there, 2 happy wings and 1 happy bee. Hope this was helpful. Happy crocheting! I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Happy crocheting!